This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Raul Herrero. State-of-the-art craft brewery and separate 20-barrel brew house. The caustic system is automated with a monthly capacity of 100,000 liters or 10,000 CEs. All brewery equipment was manufactured in Europe, imported, and installed by a European engineering team including 16 fermenters and a canning line in addition to all other equipment required for brewing. In addition, the business owns an oceanfront restaurant and tap room with a self-contained microbrewery, full kitchen and full liquor license. Company's products are of superior quality. The company works with several distributors and sales are growing steadily in 2020. For more information, review the details below or contact Raul Herrero at 786-581-1400.